Hey guys, Brett here again with our Rough Country update. This is going to be the last update before the giveaway. Just so you know, we're out of 4XL t-shirts and we're getting low on 5XLs. So buy them now before they're all gone. So this is going to end next week, March 30th, and then on April 4th we're going to be doing the giveaway. We're going to be going live. We're going to have all the best people that work at Custom Offsets live and on set. So obviously not Fuller and not Junior. Just a reminder, here's the t-shirt, Rough Country shirt, designed in-house here. On the back, you got your front. Go ahead, go out, buy one of these, and that's how you're gonna get entered to win. We're gonna be giving away 2 lift kits. There's gonna be a first place winner, which will have the chance to win a lift kit with a $1,500 value, and then also they will get $1,000 worth of RC bucks to purchase accessories or anything else that Rough Country offers. Second place is just going to get the lift kit of a $1,500 value, and then we're going to be giving contributions to the Catch a Lift Foundation, which is for post 9/11 veterans, and I think that's about it. So go buy a shirt because I'm tired of doing these videos.